Greetings, it's Shanique and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making this tropical juice with this beautiful pink color. The other day I went to Stop and Shop and I found these beautiful pink guavas. I was so surprised because I normally don't see tropical fruits there. Guavas are packed with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, so I had to add this to my drink. I bought these seeded grapes at the Asian market and they were so delicious. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm juicing, I always nibble on the fruits. Seeded grapes are hard to find sometimes, but don't spit out those seeds because they're so nutritious. Grape seeds may help to reduce free radical damage. It's rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and melatonin, which may help with your heart and brain health. And of course, we're going to add this beautiful dragon fruit. To me, it has a very mild taste, but it looks so pretty. The first time I had dragon fruit, I was so disappointed. The color is so pretty and vibrant that I thought the flavor of it would be like bursting in my mouth, but it was very bland. Dragon fruit is from the cactus family, so it may have a laxative effect on some people. It's a good source of magnesium, iron, and fiber. Dragon fruit contains prebiotic fibers that may promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. And the fruit that I always have in my house, pineapples. I could find pineapples here in New York year round, which is great because the tropical taste of it reminds me of home. This is a technique I use to cut my pineapples. I always use a serrated knife and cut in a downward motion from the top of the pineapple where the crown is all the way down to the base. You can cut the crown off if it gets in your way, but I like to hold on to it. Pineapples are filled with nutrients including vitamin C, magnesium. It has an enzyme called bromelain, which is great for your gut health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to boost your immune system. It's also a good source of copper, thiamine, folate, potassium, magnesium, and the list goes on. My favorite way to have pineapple is with ginger. Pine and ginger is just a classic that I grew up on in the Caribbean. I would like to take a moment to say that I appreciate the fact that you're watching my video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment because it really means a lot to me. Okay, so now we're going to load up our hopper. I'm using the extra large hopper with my Nama J2 juicer, which is great for bulk juicing. It really cuts back on the time that I use because all I do is load it up, turn it on, and just go and do something else or just watch the fruits go around in circles. I do have a discount code for my juicers. If you use my code Shanique10, you'll receive 10% off. I will leave the link below. If you have a Nama J2 or a Nama C2, you could use the extra large hopper on top. Now look at how beautiful of a color this is. Look at that. That beautiful pink color that you get from the dragon fruit and the guava and the grapes. So pretty. I'm using the extra large hopper and strainer from Nama, which is also great for bulk juicing. It's so convenient and cuts down on time that you could use to do something else. Now we're going to add some ice into our cup because what is a tropical drink without some nice cold ice, right? And look how pretty this is. This drink was super delicious. It's definitely a must try. And I'm using my cute little cup that has a cover. Not to mention, it has a glass straw that goes with it. It's definitely aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.